Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Adidas Running Run Tracker app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Adidas Running is a run tracking app designed to help users monitor their running performance, set running goals, and follow training plans. It allows users to track distance, pace, and routes, connect with community challenges, and integrate with fitness wearables. The app is available on both iOS and Android. The app's main feature is its real-time run tracking and goal setting. You can start a run, see live progress metrics, distance, pace, calories, map your route, and later review performance in your history dashboard. It also offers structured training plans, for example, 5K, 10K, half marathon, and social features like leaderboards and challenges to keep you motivated. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its simplicity, accurate GPS tracking, and community features that help keep motivation high. The training plans, pace nudges, and route mapping make it a good choice for casual runners and beginners alike. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users note that premium features, such as advanced training plans and live coaching, require a paid subscription. Others mention that GPS accuracy can vary in dense urban or wooded areas, and the app's social/challenge features may feel less relevant to solo runners. Additionally, while many basics are free, long-term training features may require the premium tier. In summary, the Adidas Running app may be worth using if you want a solid, easy-to-use running tracker with good community and training plan support. However, if you're an advanced runner needing highly personalized coaching or run analytics, you might find some limitations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video.